Hey guys, how you doing today? Hope your spring is going well and you're all staying safe out there. I'm inside the new Carport greenhouse right now that I've built. Pretty cool. It's chilly outside today, like 1 degree, and it's been snowing on and off and super windy, like super big gust, as you can hear there. But inside it's super moist and there's water dripping down, so it's a good thing. I've got some lettuces, my Salanovas. I'm going to do some test planting in here. It's about the 20th of April roughly, maybe a few days before. So we're going to plant these in, and then I might put a roll cover over because it's still getting down to -5 at night, just to make sure that they stay nice, but they should be good. Let's get this started. So I'm going to plant probably maybe 20 of them just to test it out, because it's still pretty chilly at night, but I think they'll be okay in here, and with the roll cover over top they should be awesome. So here we go. Salanova lettuces, let's get them going. I'm pretty impressed on how warm it is in here actually. Sorry for the loud banging, it's super windy today. This is the first planting of 2020. Very excited. Okay, I'll get a few more planted and I'll be back in a minute. And what I did as well too, I composted about an inch or two of compost on top just to give it some nice nutrients to start off with. I'm doing them about 6 inches apart. Most farmers are doing 4 inch or four lettuces across for a 30-inch bed, but I usually do 5. I like to push it. Sometimes they don't grow as big as they probably could, but it's worked for me so far. Okay, so I've just got about 20 in here, I think, roughly. Well, I'm going to give them a quick water in, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a roll cover, put the roll cover over as well. I don't want to put them all in yet. I just want to wait a few more days till the temperatures sort of get above that freezing mark. But I want to experiment, see how this is going to go. And I'm going to try some tomatoes too soon in the next few days, but I need to bring them over and get them started. So I'll be back with the roll cover in a few minutes here, and after I've watered them in. Okay, here we go, just a little bit of water just to water them in. I should really have the spray nozzle on this, but I'm not sure where it is right now. So this should keep them nice and happy, even in the cold temperatures. So here's the roll covers here. I'll get them set up quickly here. Obviously this is way too long, but I'm just going to put a few over. Probably need 2 hoops and that's about it, and I'll lay the rest on the ground. These all tangled up from last year still. There we go. So that should keep it a few more degrees warmer as well underneath there. And then I'm just going to get them level out here. Okay, there we go. So that should keep them nice and warm, doubly warm inside. And then I'll keep you guys updated on how that goes. I'll come back out in maybe a week. Probably I'll come out sooner than that just because I want to see how they're going, and then maybe we'll plant some more. So I came over yesterday to plant everything in my greenhouse and put on my SD card. So I was going to show you guys me planting everything in. So obviously that didn't happen. So I'm back today with the SD card in my camera, and I'm going to show you what I've done here. It's snowing right now, almost end of April, what's going on, but at least it's warmer in here than it is outside, so everything should be good. What I did, I finished transplanting my Salanovas in the far end here, so I finished doing Salanovas under here, and I double blanketed it up with roll covers there, because the first 2 nights actually I only planted a few up to here and a bit of frost got through even with the row cover, but they sort of survived, so I just kept watering them. I'll show you those in a minute. And then over here in the middle bed, I planted some baby mixed greens, and I did some Hakurei turnips on the other side. I'm just trying a whole bunch of different crops right now just to see what's going to work really well right now. And then over here I've done 3 rows of carrots all the way down, and then I did 2 rows of spinach. So the only downside right now is I gotta reach really far over to plant stuff. Once I get some more time, I'm gonna get the ends cut off and rolled up so I can actually work on both sides, and especially when it's really warm out, I'll be able to raise the sides up and get a nice draft through here. So I'll get the row covers off quickly here, and we'll see how it looks here. They should be pretty good, actually. Oh yeah, they're looking great from last night. Last night I didn't frost at all, and they're still moist from being watered. And funny thing is, I had a little extra tomato plant, and he survived. So I was actually going to do an experiment here and plant some tomatoes in here to see what happens with row covers over. But look at that, looking good. I'll show you some of the other ones from the other side quickly as well. From the first night I had in here. So these are some of the ones from the first night. You can tell this guy here, he got a bit of frost out, but he'll come back no problem. He's still got a leaf there. Same with this guy, got a little bit of frost and whatnot, but they're looking good. So there you go, guys. I just want to show you what I did. When it starts growing in the next hopefully week, because it's supposed to be above 0 at nighttime and it's supposed to get up to like 10-12 degrees during the day, things should explode in here. I'm probably going to give this another quick water, even though it probably doesn't need it. I might just give it a little bit, and then we'll go from there. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed that quick little video on what I've got in the greenhouse. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share it around, and give it a thumbs up. We'll see you out there. Happy gardening.